Hey guys, this is my 2019 bike check with the Collective C1. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna start off with the top, and then I'm gonna make my way down the bike. So I'm gonna start off with the handlebars. These are the Federal Drop V2 handlebars. They are a 9 rise. And I cut them down to 28 wide, and they're 4-piece, and I got them in chrome. Actually, yeah, I'll tell you about the forks. So these are the Federal Assault forks. I believe these are 24mm. I believe, I'm not too sure, but I think that's what it is. Next, I'll go on to the grips. These are ODI long neck grips. I don't know what to say else about them. They're fine. They're grips. Next, I've got the brakes. So this is the Odyssey mono lever. It's good. I do wish I got a longer one, but actually it's fine. It's quite light as well, like for a brake lever. I mean, they're not going to be heavy, but it's a good brake lever. Next, we've actually got the first part I ever got for this bike, and that's the Federal Element stem. I have had this stem longer than any part on this BMX. I truly believe this is the best stem in BMX at the moment. I have never pushed my bars forward with this stem on. Like, it is insane. Next, I'm gonna go on to the headset. I have the Cryptic Flow headset with a few spacers on, and the gyro. I don't actually know the company or name of the gyro. It doesn't even have a logo or on it. But last year I run the Salt. I ran a Salt brake, but yeah, I don't know what this brake is. I took it to Halford, so it could be anything. Next, I have the. Actually, I'm going to move on to the seat. So I still have the We the People team seat, just with a We the People seat post.
Pivotal.
Eh?
Pivotal.
Yeah, pivotal seat post as well. Moving a little bit down, I have the Jet.
Jet fuel.
No, Jet. No, the company. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Alright, we're back. So this is the Jet Key bloody cranks. They're 175. Then on the end of it, I have the Federal contact pedals. They're plastic pedals, and I always run plastic pedals, but these are absolutely amazing. They hold up like really well. They don't really wear out too well. But going a little bit down to the bottom bracket, I don't actually have the spacers, but this is a Primo bottom bracket. The bearings are Primo, but the spacers aren't. So yeah, there's that whole business. So for the sprocket, I have these just a Progression 25 tooth sprocket. It's pretty lightweight, and obviously it comes in jet fuel. But on the actual sprocket, we have a chain. I believe it's a KMC chain. I'm not too sure though. So I'm gonna go for the rear first. So I actually found out what the rear end is, and it's actually pretty insane. So this is a Alienation Black Sheep V1 wheel. Well, at least the rim is. I'm not too sure about the cassette, but I do know the rim is an Alienation Black Sheep V1 rim. But we've got Primo V Monster tyres on both wheels. Speaking of, the front wheel is a Jet Generate front wheel. What else do I have? I think that's it, isn't it?
That's the bike check.
Oh yeah, so that is my bike.
Oh, your top cap for your bars.
It's a Federal top cap. But yeah, that is officially my bike for 2019. Not much has changed, but now, oh, I almost forgot the frame. So the frame is obviously a collective C1 frame. It is a 20.5 top tube, and then 11.18 bottom bracket height, and I've got a 13.75 rear end. So I think that's pretty much it. Next year I want to try and get a new frame, and that's literally it. If I am going to get a new frame next year, it's going to be the Federal ICS frame. So yeah, there's a little teaser for you. But that is officially my bike, what I run in 2019. So just a like, subscribe, and peace basically. See you guys in a bit. Peace.